In this video, we will show you how to run TikTok ads in the USA from Pakistan. If you guys want to get started with TikTok, you can use the links down in the description. First, go to the TikTok Ads Manager and sign up for an account. You may need to provide a US-based address and phone number. You can use services that provide virtual US addresses and phone numbers. Ensure you have a payment method that TikTok accepts. Some users have found success using PayPal. Then log into your TikTok Ads Manager account. Now click on Create to start a new campaign. Choose your campaign objective like traffic, conversions, or app installs. Then set your target location to the USA. Specify other demographics, interests, and behaviors relevant to your audience. After that, upload your video or image creatives. Now add compelling ad copy and a clear call to action. Then review your campaign settings and launch your ad. Now monitor your performance through the TikTok Ads Manager dashboard and make adjustments as needed. So that's how to run TikTok ads in the USA from Pakistan. Make sure to use the links down in the description to get started with TikTok. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I'll see you in the next video.